Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, so Sachoney here. Welcome back to my channel. It's Monday, April. I don't know the date, but anyways, I was supposed to record a video when I went to the supermarket, but I didn't get a chance to because on that day my friend actually came over, so I had to rush to the supermarket so that I could meet her. But anyway, so I am actually heading to work because I have a private lesson today. I'm gonna be teaching some elementary school kids. I just wanted to do like a quick video so you guys can know what is happening here in Japan. So school reopens today for like public schools, but I don't go back to work until Friday. But for my private lessons, I start today, so I have a 1 hour class today, and I think there might be a state of emergency. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I think tomorrow or Wednesday we should know what is gonna happen. By the way, the noise that you are hearing in the background is actually my washing machine because I'm washing right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like the food that I got. Like I have a few like stuff that I bought from the supermarket. I'm gonna let you guys see like what I bought and stuff. Since I didn't show you guys like me actually buying stuff at the supermarket, I decided to just show you guys what I have in my cupboard. So I bought these from the dollar store, which is Daiso, because I want to do like a video trying like snacks from Daiso. Like I have 2 bags of rice that I bought I went to the supermarket last Thursday. Yeah, I think it was last Thursday. Anyway, so I should have bought some sugar, but I guess that can serve me. I bought this cereal, which I never wanted to, but my usual cereal, they don't have it. I bought 3 more instant yakisoba. I bought a bottle of oil, and I bought ketchup. I got 2 packs of chicken. I don't want to buy a lot because at my supermarket the meat don't really last long. And I have my strawberries. I got some more. These are strawberries that I had in my fridge for a long time, so I put them in my shake. I bought some eggs. I bought some lemon. I usually just cook and then I put them in containers so that I can have them, take out 1 container per day for my dinner or my lunch. Anyway, so this is yakisoba, and that's like some rice, like some fried rice type of mix up. And I have mango to go in my smoothie. And down here I have some fruits and vegetables because I love my fruits. I have 2 packs of strawberries. I need to wash them and then freeze them so that they last longer, because I'm not gonna use them for now. I bought them just to put them in my smoothie. Oh, I also have pineapples. Yeah, I had this before and I bought another pack, so this is just for my smoothie. I ordered these almond milk from Amazon Japan because I don't use cow's milk, so I use this almond milk. I pretty much wasted like a week and a half not creating any content for you guys. I guess I wasn't that motivated to do any video, to be honest. Like I don't know, I just stayed home and I just watched like Netflix, like series after series, going to bed like 3 a.m 4 a.m or not sleeping at all. That's what I've been doing for the last couple of days because I am on spring break. Well, I was on spring break, but it's pretty much over, so I'm back to work. And yeah, so I need to head out right now so that I can be early for the people them work. I'm going to a new location today. I've never been to this location before, so I want to go early so that I'm on time, so that I can find the place, because sometimes Google Maps, it doesn't work, sometimes it doesn't cooperate with me. Anyways, I need to drink water. My skin breaking out, so I don't know what to do. It's 4 o'clock now and I need to leave out like right now, so I'm heading out right now. I'm walking to the train station right now. The walk to the train station is about 10 minutes. So unfit. But this is what my hair is looking like. This is what you call right on time. Bathroom stop. It's automatic, so you have to put your hand right there for it to flush. And then there's this one. I just came off the train and I'm walking, so apparently Google Maps told me to come off at this station and it's gonna be like a 6 minutes walk, but if I'd gone with another line then I would have had like a 1 minute walk. But I didn't realize that it was like this one, but such is life. Like, this is that exercise for me, so it's fine. Let me just double check to see that I'm going the right place. Look at this building though. Wow. I am now 3 minutes away, so that means I am on track. I'm heading in the right direction, so that's good. Over there should have been the train station that I should have come off at, but that's not what Google told me. This is a very popular train station. I was heading home here and I noticed that not many people were in the train station. Like I said, this is a very popular train station, so usually there would have been like a lot of people all over, but there wasn't. Anyways, I was trying to catch my train, which I did. I was like 1 minute early, so thank God. I'm walking home right now. I'm about maybe 5 minutes away from my apartment. And yeah, so I had my 1 hour class today. It was okay. I taught like elementary level kids. I think they were like grades 1 and 2, but it was good. Anyways, the reason why I ended up walking 6 minutes is because I took 2 trains. So if I had taken 3 trains, then I would just walk for like 1 minute. So that's my mistake. I didn't realize that. That's the reason why I selected that option on Google Maps. But anyways, it doesn't matter. I made it on time, even though I couldn't find it, so I had to call my company. Like, where is this place? But yeah, I found it, thank God. But yeah, I am on my street. Thank God for light. I can see my apartment and across the road. Anyways guys, I'm gonna edit this video right now. No more being lazy. Let me know what videos you want to see from me. I have training all day tomorrow, Tuesday, and I go back to my public job on Friday. But I am gonna make time to do videos. So if you want to see any videos, any type of video, if you have any questions, you can let me know. Leave them in the comment section below and all of that good stuff. I need to cross the road. I hope you guys are being safe and taking the necessary precautions to maintain your safety. Let me run across the road. Yeah. Yeah guys. Oh shoot, what time is it? I'm supposed to get a package at 7 o'clock, so I'm hoping that they haven't come as yet, or else I'll have to wait until tomorrow, because I selected the latest option. I get my keys. I missed the delivery company by 10 minutes. I'm home finally. Anyways guys, so this is where I'm gonna end this video. Subscribe to my channel guys, thumbs up this video, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. We'll be right back.